Today I am doing a tag target action game video, and it is for 2 players. It has 6 sticky balls and 2 target vests. Throw your sticky balls, dodge the balls, get the highest score. There are 6 balls included, 3 red balls and 3 blue balls. Now let's open it. Do not aim eyes or face to avoid injury. Use only sticky balls designed for this product. Open, get out the vests. Let's now show you that red vest. Let's now try to stick the balls to the vest. It sticks pretty good. Now let's try multiplier. It still works with multiplier. Let's do combo fire. Combo fire. 3 balls in each, and this is so sick. Boom. It still does it. So cool. And you can see some points. As you can see, there is a 20, 40, 60, 100, 60 again, then 40, then 20. The highest score wins. Please like and subscribe this video, and please give us in the comments down below what we will unbox next.